Here is how you can redeem your Minecraft code. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem your Minecraft code. So let's start. You can also repeat the same process from your mobile device. So first of all, go to any browser. After you open the browser, tap on the search bar and go to minecraft.net. After you go to minecraft.net, you will come to a page like this. This is the official homepage of Minecraft. Now in order to redeem your Minecraft code, you will find this redeem option on the top right side of the page. Click on it. Now select the edition of the game where you want to redeem your code. You can redeem the code in Java edition or Minecraft Legends or other editions. For now, I'll simply go to any of the options. So let me go to redeem Java edition. After you click on redeem, it will ask you to sign into your account. Now use your credentials and sign into your Minecraft account. After you enter the details and log into your account, you will have to enter the code of your gift card and simply click on redeem. After you do that, the code will be successfully redeemed and you will get the balance in your Minecraft account. So in this way, you can easily redeem your Minecraft code. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.